Good morning, EHANG community. You must be wondering what's happening to the price, where we're going. And I'm here today to actually show you exactly what's going to happen because there's a warning sign about the volume is really picking up. I will show you in the price action and a chart. And before we go in a chart and show you the price and movement for EHANG, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channels where I always told you guys no BS, no editing, raw, straight to the information. And let's go to the chart. So as everybody knows that EHANG went almost 65% because Wolfpack research that like report and the news went crazy and the volume, like the price went down. But there's a good indication if we see here, if we go and see this candle have a big wick here, and look with me, guys. The actually bounce back from exponential moving average. The 200 exponential moving average is a good indicator because this is show us that the smart money actually buying at this level, and they know this is the best price to buy at. So that's why we got the bounce back here at $40 exactly. Now let's go on the 1 hour because every chart have a different story to tell, and let's clear this out before. And okay, let's draw some line to show more clearly what's gonna happen for the price. And let's take it from the lowest and go here. Okay, let's draw the other line from the highest and go here and look with me the price what's about to do, guys. This is crazy because look, the price actually contained in this area, and the price actually we now testing it again and again and again at this level. And if we actually go from this line now at 45, there's a big chance that we're going down to test again the 40 support level. And this is not a good indication because the more we test the support, the more we're gonna break it if we have the volume to support us. And I will show you guys, this is a good indication now because the volume actually picking up, as I will show you guys here to make it clearer. Look with me here at SMI, the volume indicator, and here the price. Look with me, there's a diversion. I will tell you what's this diversion. The price in SMI actually picking up, and the price we actually going down. You must be wondering, what does that mean for me? The idea is when the price actually going down and volume, the indicator going up, this is mean there's a big investor actually buying all the sell, all the sell pressure. So there's a buying pressure picking up slowly because the smart money actually knows any time the price dip here at this level from 45 to 41, 40, they actually buying. And when they sell, they buying. They know this is a really good buying opportunity. That's why they actually picking up, and they have the volume indicator actually show us there's a big pressure of buying and the price going down. This is called the diversion in volume. This is really a good indicator that we're gonna see a big jump in price. And the other thing is we're still holding this line, and this is really good indication. But for me, guys, I will show you when I actually get my confirmation to get in. This is the most important thing. I will never jump in the trade until I get my confirmation. And my confirmation is if we go to the candle here we got rejection for this line, then this one we get another rejection, And if we go back, actually, why we got this rejection? Because the candle here, this week in 19th of January, show us this is price actually really important value. So let's put our line here to show you guys clearly. Here exactly. My let's go to 4 hours to see a big picture more. And this the line. Look with me, guys. This exponential moving average is coiled down. So for me, if I want to have my confirmation, and this line will go even lower here, like this, coiled down. And what's the candle will actually, if we actually have a candle bounce back from the exponential moving average and exactly on this line at 45.55, this is a big confirmation that we actually have a reverse in the price. And again, we have to see the volume picking up. It's not like a small volume, but big volume. This is a big indication that a lot of buyers coming in, retail trader not selling, but more investor coming in, everybody actually buying. And this is show us that we actually ready to test this level at 65 exactly. So we have to have a bounce from exponential moving average, and at this level at 55 support here, we have to have a candle for our candle to close above here to confirm that we actually at the reversal of downtrend. Because when like in gravity, when something go down is easier, is go down faster, there is no pressure because you have the gravity actually work with you down. But when you go up, you have the gravity work against you, because when the market go down, we have to consolidate it, take time, take power, take a lot of volume to go up. So always, guys, always wait for confirmation. Never just jump in and just be FOMO, and have a price in mind. That's what I always show in my videos. Yeah, always have a price in mind, confirmation candle, and never FOMO, and you have less risk that you actually get burned. And as I said, if we actually broke from this level at 40, and this is there's a probability that's gonna happen. If we broke at this level and we don't have this candle again, we don't have a candle like 4-hour candle, like a big spike up, and we have a candle close below the $40, there's a high probability that we go down until $27. So be careful, guys. If we actually we don't have a wick and we test this level at 40 and we have a candle close below this support level, there's a big chance that we actually go down at 27. So be careful, guys. Be always careful. Always wait for confirmation candle. And as I said, price action and taking action, and never FOMO in my channel. Always please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. I will always do daily videos and update on price action and technical analysis. And see you guys in the next video.